tell her every day. Yeah, I know when I compliment her she won't believe me, and it's so sad to think that she don't see what